Welcome, musicpreneurs. Welcome to the official Musicpreneurial Tea channel, where we spill the tea on the legal and financial aspects of the music business. So, for all that are new, welcome. We are here to help independent artists such as yourselves who are in the UK to thrive and grow and flourish in your craft while securing the bag. Welcome to the first video of our royalties and revenue series, where we are going to discuss all ways you can maximize and monetize your music and make a profit off of it. So today, our first topic of the royalties and revenue series is performing rights organizations. So this is for all artists that want to make money off of their music by having full creative control and ownership. So that should be all of us here, which is why we're here clicking on this video and watching this. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe, please share, please like, and please comment down below. We're very happy to have you here. Performing rights organizations are non-profit organizations that collect money on behalf of you, the artist, for your music. So when your music is performed, downloaded, streamed, broadcasted, played on the radio, or used in TV shows and film, they collect the money from the music that you put out, that you release, that is being played, and they then put it into your account and collect it for you, and you receive full maximum profits from that. So there are two main organizations in the UK that collect the royalties on your behalf as independent artists. The first one is PRS. PRS pays royalties to you, the songwriter, the composer, the producer, and publisher for the use of your work, i.e. your composition and lyrics. So considering you're all independent artists here, we are all independent artists here, we are all self-releasing, self-publishing artists, which means we should all be registered as the writer. Yeah, because we ain't trying to sign to no record label. We're not about to have record labels and publishers own our creative works. Absolutely not, and take how much percent, 40%, 20%, when we can just own the full piece of the pie. Like, no, we're not doing that. So we should all register as a writer as part of PRS. It is a one-off fee of £100. However, if you are under 25, you can pay £30. So that is the discount, and it's a one-off fee. The second organization is PPL. This pays royalties to you as the performer and the recording rights holder. You should all own your masters. If you don't, make sure you find a way to get your masters back, because you should have full ownership over it. PPL pays you as the performer and the owner of the masters. So when you register, you would register yourself as the performer and recording rights holder of your music and of your songs. And to join this organization, it is completely free. And that is all for today in terms of performing rights organizations. If you really like this video, share it with a friend, share it with other artists who may need this. I have also added links down below where you can look at the sign-up pages to PRS and PPL, which show all the information as well. Please subscribe to the channel, and please comment any other topic videos that you'd like to. I look forward to going with you guys on this journey. Take care. Bye.